cool, healthy, and refreshingly crisp, this cucumber avocado salsa combines buttery avocado with crunchy cucumbers. It's light, zesty, and pairs well with tortilla chips, taco, or any grilled dishes. It makes such a perfect balance of texture and flavor. Um, while this is not a Filipino dish, it does draw inspiration from Mexican salsa, and Filipinos do enjoy something similar. We call it a cucumber salad, ensaladang Pinpino. Don't know if I said that right or with the correct accents in the correct places, but this is a great side dish during the hot summers, or if you want something light and refreshing during your meals, this is great to have just to balance off all of the savory textures that you may eat during one of your meals. So give it a try and let me know how it goes.